Ten Commandments of Driving Safety. Number 1, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Number 2, I will not pass without care on curves, nor hills, or nor the view in unseen by my eyes. Number 3, I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limit. Number 4, I do not disobey highway sign of traffic signals. Number 5, I do not make a twice without signal my intention. Number 6, I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. Number 7, I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. Number 8, I do not glare my headlight on approaching cars at night. Number 8, Number 9, will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. Number 10, I will be courteous and respectful of the right of every drivers and pedestrian. Self-Traveler 10 Commandments of Road Safety from Travelers. Number 1, thou shalt not graze at dawn. Number 2, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Number 3, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4, thou shalt not take any change. Number 5, thou shalt not back up the kids. Number 6, thou shalt not drive on the bright. Number 7, thou shalt not drive with one light off with faulty lights. Number 8, thou shalt not agree to the speed limit. Number 9, thou shalt not keep the distance. Number 10, thou shalt not practice patience. 10 Commandment of Traffic Assault. Number 1, keep right. Number 2, observe road courtesy. Number 3, prohibited parking. Number 4, if not dumped, do not overtake. Number 5, the bus stop and the rule lining up on the bus stop zone. Number 6, rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Number 7, observe traffic management measures. Number 8, the philosophy of Pinoy drivers first come, first serve vehicles. Number 9, on the pedestrian. Number 10, remember the international driving safety reminders.